Hello guys! Today is a good day and this is the time that I want to plant my tomatoes inside the greenhouse. And here they are. They are 1 feet and a half. It's about 50 centimeters long. And for me, that is the good size for planting the tomatoes. So let's take a look guys how I plant my tomatoes. Guys, here are the tomatoes. Those are cherry varieties. Only two of them are not cherries, but most of them are cherries. Yeah, so those are the tomatoes that are going to be planted here. So before we start planting, as you can see here, I already dug a trench. So those trenches I will gonna plant those tomatoes, and of course before I plant them I already put name tags so that they will not mix up. So guys, I'm gonna show you now how I plant my tomatoes. So guys, here is the red cherry. I'm gonna remove those leaves until there, and even here. It's drastic, so it will look like that. And then I'm gonna remove it from the draining pot and look at the root system. So the reason why I remove all the leaves there and the side shoots is to promote the plant to grow roots at least until here. So can you imagine if the roots from here to there, then the plant will become strong for its life, like that. So I want to plant it like that. So see, and I'm gonna hide that stem and the root ball, so it will look like that. But what is also important is to water it. I'm gonna get first water. I already have water here, and this is the most important thing you do when you plant like this. With this style, you should water it immediately so that the plant will produce roots faster. So don't worry that this is laying down, but you can put soil there so that it will stand. I hope you can see it. So that's our first plant. So that's the red cherry. So guys, again, we don't need the side shoots. Let's remove it. And the leaves, like that. So the only leaves left is that. So again, I'm gonna do this reverse because the trellis is on the other side here, and this is the trellis here, so I can't tie the tomato here on the trellis. So here is the root system of the... I'm gonna bury the root ball a little bit deeper, like that, and lay it down like that. Oops. So I'm gonna get those good soil there. Don't worry, they will grow faster. I'm gonna make an update maybe after 1 week, so that you will see how they recover. And another thing that I'm doing with tomato planting, I'm putting a not too deep trench like that. The reason being is, if you water it, the water will not gonna flow everywhere. Instead, the water only goes to the root system. See? The water just stay there in that part where the roots are. Just like the same with the other one there. I put also trench, because imagine that this stem will gonna produce roots, then the roots are here, and the root system will gonna spread out. And so, and if you, at least if you water it direct on the roots where the stem is, then you can be sure that you water your plant correctly. So I also have here, I still have lots to do. You know what, the temperature here inside is 33 degrees Celsius and the humidity is 31%. This is like a sauna, you know. Still have one here, guys. So again, remove the leaves. This is to prevent rotting, guys. I must do it faster, guys. It's so hot. So it's like I'm in the desert. It's really hot. So just like that, and again water. This is I will water it again later. So a trench for watering. So guys, let's get out of here a little bit. So far that's what I've planted there and here, and I still have lots to plant. Maybe I'm gonna 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5, at least 6 more. So but I'm going outside because it's so hot. And yeah, oh my god, it's so hot. So guys, it was so hot in the greenhouse. Anyway, I would like to end this video here, and shout out to all my friends who always supporting my videos, and shout out to my kababayans in Abra. How are you guys? And also my family, the Fale family, the Ligast family, and to all
Abranians. That's it, guys. I'm gonna do update maybe after 1 week. I hope you will. I hope you like this video, and thank you very much for watching. And to all my friends out there, shout out to all of you. Again, I'm Lauren. Thank you very much for watching. God bless you all. Bye bye.